Hi, everybody. Hope your weekend is going well and that you've had your plans work out. I'm going to show you radar in a moment. What time is it right now? Coming to you at 3:18 on this Sunday afternoon. The rain yesterday turned out to be more just kind of light and ongoing than scattered. We did roughly get a quarter of an inch of rain on Saturday, which is what the modeling was indicating we would. We certainly had our steady hours of heavier rain last night. We had generally somewhere between a half of an inch to as much of an inch fall over the valley. I'll show you rain totals through 5 o'clock this morning in a moment. And now what we have is after a fairly dry morning here in Portland, Salem, and Vancouver, we're rock and rolling with heavy showers, and we've had lightning detected mainly along the coast. So, what I'm going to jump into is the weather pattern really between now and through this coming Friday, which of course is November 1st and into the weekend. I will tell you, after weeks of Halloween looking like it could be kind of an in-between day with some scattered showers, but not much rain, Halloween is now looking incredibly explosive in terms of the shower threat. So on the left, this is the European model. This is a 546 upper level low that is on top of us on Thursday. There's a surface front coming in Wednesday, but what's happened is the low driving that has strengthened, and now it looks like it's going to park itself over our heads Thursday. And if that's the case, Thursday is going to be could look a lot like what we have right now on this Sunday afternoon. Pretty active with heavy showers around. So for right now, we're keeping tabs on a rainy Halloween, and of course, trick or treat hours, et cetera, et cetera. Something that we are keeping an eye on, obviously. Okay. Here's a latest update on the snow level, my Mount Hood forecast page. This is on my page. This is from Hillcrest Ski and Sports Store up in Gresham. They sponsor my Mount Hood forecast. 4,000-foot snow level overnight tonight and tomorrow. I still think it's likely that we will see snow sticking over passes early tomorrow morning. And then probably kind of a mix of rain and snow during the day. So if there's going to be a problem at pass level over the Cascades, it's later tonight, first thing tomorrow morning. Tuesday is mainly dry. Wednesday is rain coming in up to 5,000 feet in the morning, and then a front comes in the afternoon, and snow levels fall to about 4,000 feet on Halloween day. And then we have showers around on Friday. That Friday 4 is a typo I'm just noticing, but you get the idea. The snow levels are going to be somewhere around mountain passes. So please check conditions before you go up there if you're going to be traveling over the high country this coming week. Okay. Quick shout out to the Momentous Wealth podcast. Coming up on 6 complete months that they've sponsored my YouTube channel. I really appreciate that. They are a financial firm. They put out a podcast giving investment education on a number of topics. Listen on Apple Podcasts or on Spotify, the Momentous Wealth podcast. Okay. Here is the rain report as of 5:17 this morning. So basically, this shows you the rain that fell yesterday and the rain that we had last night, which is when the front came in. Rain amounts decent, not overwhelming, but decent. Astoria 88 100s, Kelso 9/10, Vancouver was 9/10, Portland PDX was 74 100s, downtown was 8/10, and about the same in Troutdale, Hillsboro. Salem did make it to an inch. Corvallis 84 100s and Eugene 52 100s. And of course, we've been adding to these rain totals during the day today. So at 3:22, this is the radar. Look at that. Wow. So pretty impressive, right? So the red and the yellow is absolutely bam, heavy downpours. You hear the rain, you can hear it in your gutters, you get drenched if you're outside. And notice this is pretty widespread, all the way down from Corvallis, heavy rain areas all the way up into the Olympics, more heavy showers coming offshore without question. Now, over on the right, you're going to see some X's pop up. It's going to replay right there. Boom, boom, boom. You see, so far there's been a handful of lightning strikes, mainly near the Oregon coast, but nothing inland, certainly nothing east of the coast range into the valley. But you saw the radar lit up. Definitely there's strong convection producing those rain rates. So we'll keep looking for the chance of some small hail or maybe a rumble of thunder yet. Right here on the left is the current satellite with the cold trough that's moved in. We had the steady rain last night that picked up. That was the front. Now we're in the cold air pocket with the upper level trough that follows. And this cold upper level trough is going to take the entire day tomorrow to get out of here. That means more scattered showers tonight, more showers around tomorrow. I still think Tuesday's dry. And then back here is the next front coming in on Wednesday. And that's going to be followed by the heavy showers on Halloween Day that we just talked about. On these showery days, it's fun to look at my live camera network because you see the variety of weather conditions. So here's a little break from the Channel House camera at Depot Bay down in Lincoln County. Here are clouds looking like they're about ready to rain out in the gorge from Theodore Ridge Winery. There is rain over the Dundee Hills, a black sky from Willamette Valley Vineyards. Partly cloudy over in Sun River. There's the rain at Camas Meadows. Boy, I'm not sure if this is an accurate camera over the Mount Hood, Oregon Resort. I'm kind of betting that is a camera that is froze. That looks too cheery, doesn't it? Yeah. There's the black skies from the Oregon Garden Resort. They're getting ready for their Christmas market. And look at downtown Portland. Wow, a lot of rain. So again, really good idea to check the live camera network. And it's like ground truth, we call it. It gives you a bird's eye view as to how widespread and the rain is today and the variety of it. So this is the national blended model from the National Weather Service. This is their future radar product, and this is 1 o'clock this afternoon. So just notice in green, we know it's showery weather, but this is showing just heavy, numerous showers, which we saw on the radar. This doesn't show a lot of break in the action. This is 5 o'clock tomorrow morning. So if this is true, the showers just keep coming the rest of today and even tonight. And you wake up in the morning to start your Monday, and there's still quite a few showers on the radar. This is getting into midday Monday, still quite a few showers on the radar. This is 5 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Now you can see some drying up to our northwest. But if this is correct, Monday's a pretty active shower day, cold enough for the, look, I'm checking my instability numbers. So the instability numbers support heavy downpours, at least a chance of an isolated rumble of thunder and a hail shower all the way through sundown on Monday, which is kind of what this is showing. And then here is getting into Monday evening. Now you can see the showers are decreasing. And I think by the time we get into Tuesday morning, we're all dry. We started off talking about the snow levels down to 4,000 feet at times this week, all the way through Halloween Day on Thursday. This is picking up snow only over the Cascades, some very limited snow showers over the mountains areas of the Blues. This does show in the bright colors when you get up in elevation over the peaks of the volcanoes that you've got 8 inches of snow falling where you see those bright colors. Otherwise, the blue shade is anywhere from about an inch to 4 inches that could fall between 4 and 5,000 feet. Probably 4,000 feet is an inch or so that could come quickly and melt off, but 5,000 feet, we could get several inches of snow. So that is the snow forecast through the day tomorrow up in the Cascades. Government Camp, let's see where they are right now. Yeah, Government Camp's still 43, 44 degrees right now. Timberline is all the way down to 33, so they will start getting some developing snow, especially once the sun goes down this evening. And Timberline will be all white. I said earlier when I talked to you on Friday that they could get 6 inches of snow on the ground at the lodge, and I still think that's true. They have a lot of moisture to come, and they're getting down to about freezing right now. So there's temperatures generally above freezing tomorrow at Government Camp, but in the 30s for a mix of rain and snow showers. And then look at the low snow levels that continue with a mix of rain and snow showers on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, Wednesday morning, there's a 5,000-foot surge as the front comes in. So that's rain. So any snow at Government Camp Wednesday would be late day going into the night, more like a mixed bag on Thursday and Friday. Again, check conditions. None of these look like big snowstorms, but check conditions. This is the European model. The American GFS model pretty much shows identical numbers. This is the cold trough this afternoon in blue. This is that trough taking all of tomorrow to get out of here. This is tomorrow at 5 p.m. And then we're going to show you a dry Tuesday here's the ridge bubble. See where the contours kind of ridge up and down right in here. So that's that dry weather for Tuesday. But then here's the developing front on Wednesday. Here's the next trough coming in. Right now, surface models show the cold front coming in about 4 o'clock Wednesday afternoon. So there might be some dry weather Wednesday to start, but then we probably have at some point going into the afternoon a fairly wet period of widespread steady rain Wednesday ahead of that front that comes in the afternoon. Then behind it, we'll go all showers on Wednesday night and Thursday. Here's Halloween Day, 5 p.m., 546 low, cold trough. You would expect that to feed numerous showers. And then the shower threat, here it is lingering into Friday. Right now, look at the ridging coming in. This is Saturday right here. And then this is getting into Sunday. So if this is true, the upcoming weekend, Saturday and Sunday will be dry. And look at this. This is hard to believe, actually, meaning I bet you it doesn't turn out to be this strong. But right now, this is showing a 591 surface high out in the Pacific. That's summertime pressure heights. Now, unfortunately, we're getting into the time of the year that when you get this strong of pressure aloft, that usually leads to a temperature inversion. You get morning fog. The temperature inversion locks down the fog, and instead of a sunny weekend, you can get kind of a foggy, cold weekend. So, letting you know that this upcoming weekend could play out either way. And I wouldn't believe any super warm temperatures showing up on your phones as of yet because of that temperature inversion pattern that I'm mentioning. All right, let's go around the horn. Medford 62 right now. Let's see here. They've got a day that becomes mostly sunny on Tuesday, a rainy Wednesday. That shows you how widespread that front is, bringing in the Wednesday rain and the upper level low on Thursday and Friday, and there's the dry weekend. So Medford, pretty much just what we diagrammed. Let's see what Ben's doing. Let's see here. Chance of rain tomorrow, mainly dry, becoming sunny on Tuesday. Rain developing maybe Wednesday night and then showers on Thursday, Friday, and a dry weekend. But that's, certainly getting down to seasonally cool temperatures, highs in the 40s and 50s. Seattle, I bet you it's going to be hard to find any yeah, there's no 24-hour period to our north that looks absolutely dry. Tuesday's probably a decent chance. Cool temperatures up there in the low 50s, generally speaking. Newport, what we got? Let's see here. This shows a chance of showers at the coast Tuesday. Any rain's going to be very scattered. I bet you Tuesday at the coast is partly sunny with a showered threat, but really some pretty nice weather. And then you got the rain picking up midweek. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead. Let's check out Salem. This is what they're talking about on this automated forecast from Weather Service. See Tuesday showers likely. That's Monday overnight. Shower chance quickly ending Tuesday early in the morning, and then mainly going partly sunny, and then rain picks up Wednesday, Thursday. Okay, that's what that's showing. Here is my 7-day forecast, courtesy of Hazeldale Tire Pros. Showery weather this afternoon. We've already hit 61. Tomorrow, I think the air is a little bit cooler, 50s. Showers still numerous at times, including heavy downpours. Tuesday, dry. Now, the rain chance ends early Tuesday morning. Then we go on to be dry. Wednesday could be dry early, but then we get a period of steady rain, widespread rain developing. Again, that front's coming in at 4 o'clock in the afternoons. That means the wettest part of your Wednesday is probably anywhere from 1 o'clock to 5 in the afternoon. Thursday's heavy showers scattered. Tell my wife I'll be done in a second. Thursday's heavy showers. And then that kind of winds down Friday. Then we have the dry weekend. We will need sun to get up to 60. If the fog holds under a temperature version Saturday, we'll probably be doing well to get up into the low 50s. Remember that, okay? I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. Thanks for subscribing. Please do so if you haven't. I'll talk to you soon.